Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fall Guys loading screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then go to Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, right click on the first one and then click Update Driver, and now search automatically for drivers and do the same thing to the next one, and after that click here and then go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, install the latest updates that you can find, and now go to Task Manager. Now just open Task Manager and now click on memory to see application that takes your memory. Click on it and then just close all the applications that you don't need and that you know what they do, like Google Chrome and VPN and Steam, stuff like that. All of the applications that you don't need that takes your memory, and just close it, and that's it. Try again and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.